Pydantic AI agents, serving as the primary interface for interacting with large language models, manage model settings through a hierarchical merging strategy. This code demonstrates configuring an agent by establishing model-level defaults, applying agent-level overrides, and implementing runtime adjustments to model settings. From Pydantic AI Import Agent, Model Settings. From Pydantic AI Models, OpenAI Import OpenAI Chat Model. #1 Model Level Defaults. Model equals OpenAI Chat Model. GPT-5 2. Settings equals model settings temperature equals 0. 8. Max tokens equals 500 hash-based defaults. #2. Agent-level defaults overrides model defaults by merging. Agent equals agent model. Model settings equals model settings temperature equals 0. 5. #3. Runtime overrides highest priority. Result sync equals agent. Run sync. What is the capital of Italy? Model settings equals model settings temperature equals 0. 0 hash final temperature. 0. Print result sync. Output. The capital of Italy is Rome. This episode demonstrates Pydantic AI's hierarchical model settings configuration, allowing granular control over LLM behavior. Settings are applied at 3 distinct levels: OpenAI Chat Model Instantiation, Agent Construction, and Agent Run Sync Invocation, with each subsequent level overriding preceding ones. This layered approach ensures flexibility, enabling developers to establish base defaults while providing specific overrides for particular agents or individual runs. The model settings object encapsulates parameters like temperature and max tokens, which influence the model's response generation. The system merges these settings, prioritizing the most specific configuration. For instance, a temperature set during agent run sync will override any temperature defined at the agent or OpenAI chat model level, ensuring the final request to the LLM uses the most precise instruction. This pattern is crucial for managing LLM behavior across diverse application contexts, from broad model defaults to fine-tuned per request adjustments. It balances reusability and specificity, allowing for consistent base configurations while accommodating dynamic requirements without needing to override the entire model or agent. Let's break it down. From Pydantic AI Import Agent, Model Settings. From Pydantic AI Models, OpenAI Import OpenAI Chat Model. Imports agent and model settings from the Pydantic AI library, which are used for defining AI agents and their model-specific configurations, respectively. It also imports OpenAI Chat Model from Pydantic AI Models, OpenAI, enabling the use of OpenAI's chat models within the framework. Model equals OpenAI Chat Model. GPT-5 2. A new instance of OpenAI Chat Model is created and assigned to the model variable, specifying GPT-5 2 as the model identifier for use with an OpenAI-compatible chat model. #2. Agent-level defaults overrides model defaults by merging. Agent equals agent model. Model settings equals model settings temperature equals 0. 5. An agent instance is created and assigned to the variable agent, initialized with a model, object, and specific model settings that set the temperature to 0.5. Result sync equals agent. Run sync. What is the capital of Italy? Calls the run sync method on the agent object, passing the string, "What is the capital of Italy?" as the input prompt, and assigns the synchronous result to result sync. Print result sync. Output. The capital of Italy is Rome. Prints the output attribute of the result sync object. which contains the completed response from a synchronous Pydantic AI agent run. Pydantic AI agents utilize a hierarchical merging strategy for model settings, providing granular control over LLM behavior. This system establishes base defaults at the OpenAI chat model level, which can then be overridden by agent-level settings. Finally, runtime adjustments made during an agent run sync call take the highest precedence, ensuring the most specific configuration is applied to the LLM. This layered approach balances the need for consistent base configurations with the flexibility to make dynamic, per-request adjustments, allowing developers to manage LLM behavior effectively across diverse application contexts without needing to redefine the entire model or agent for each specific use case. The core insight here is that this merging strategy is not just about overriding, but about intelligently combining settings from different scopes to achieve a precise and adaptable configuration for every LLM interaction.
The agent offers 3 temperatures, yet the final chill is but 1 0.